Hey everyone, Jeff Beckley with Beckley Associates, and I'm here today to talk about a subject that is near and dear to our hearts, which is whether you should have your LLC recognized to be recognized as an S corporation. Now, an S corporation does carry with it possible benefits and tax savings. However, it's not a decision to be made lightly. There are many factors that go into it. First of all, are we eligible? What are the compliance requirements, state and federal compliance requirements? Additionally, you want to consider what kind of assets the company holds or will be holding in the future. And then finally, we really like to look at the exit strategy for the company before deciding whether to go with an S corporation or not. So, but I'm going to give you two perspectives to really consider first and foremost. This is what we like to look at first. So on one axis here, we actually have the number of owners, and then on the other axis, we have total income or taxable income that would appear on your tax return. Now here in the lower left-hand corner, if you have a single member LLC and generally have less taxable income, $50,000 or less, that's generally going to default to a Schedule C sole proprietorship type 1040 filing. It keeps your compliance requirements down and kind of makes the decision fairly straightforward from our perspective. But as you move up the ladder here and you have more than one member, you have fewer than 101 owners of the company, then you're actually looking at a partnership and possibly an S corporation election. A partnership would be the default classification by the IRS standards. And then as the company generates more revenue, generally in the 500,000 or more taxable net income, you actually then might consider three main options: the C corporation, the S corporation, or partnership. And this is really the sweet spot for S corporations, generally speaking. If you have more than 100 owners, then you're really looking at a C corporation or a partnership. An S corporation, generally speaking, you're not eligible to be to elect as an S corporation when you have more than 100 owners. So that just kind of gives you a nice overview of the S corporation status and how to elect for it and what kind of decisions we look at when making that decision. Again, it's a very complicated decision. We certainly recommend that you reach out to a qualified professional. We're happy to help. I'm Jeff Beckley at Beckley & Associates. Please feel free to reach us. Thank you.